Hey all, Russ the RVerTV, welcome. Check it out. We're leaving Parker. This is a Running Man fuel station. We're gonna head down Mojave Road. It's called other things. It's like the Ehrenberg Highway, different names. Anyway, it's kind of a cool ride. Thought we'd check it out today. Here we go. It's a little longer. I like taking this once in a while, going down to Quartzsite, this different scenery. Straight across, there's the Parker Hospital. About the only one around this whole area. It's roughly 40 plus miles down to Ehrenberg. We're also cutting straight through the Colorado River Indian Tribes Reservation land. There's a ton of history, a lot of forgotten history on this road. We'll stop and check a little bit of it out. Right up here on the left is all the administration buildings for the CRIT. It's where you get all your permits and all the business stuff. I think they got a library in there. It's a huge facility. The actual reservation itself covers a big area. Both sides of the Colorado over into California too. Alright, here we go and talk about farmland. This is it. Of course, we're off to the right, about a mile or so would be the Colorado River. And they grow everything here. Look at them massive stacks of hay. They grow cotton through here. I don't know what else. I'd only be guessing, but it's huge. Those mountains off to the right, that would be California. Huge concrete irrigation canals all over this region. Supply all the water for the farms. We're getting real close. Up here is a little community called Poston. There is a massive amount of history here. Look at all the hay on the right. It's cool. See the water tower? This is downtown Poston. There's a memorial up here we'll stop from World War II. And up here right on the corner is Woody's. It's a little grocery store. Been there forever. Right up here on the left hand side, see where the palm trees are? That will be the Poston Memorial. Ton of history here. We'll do a quick walk around. I've stopped here many times. Actually, I drove past this for years, never knew what it was. Finally, one day a few years ago, I stopped, checked it out. Let's walk around. Here it is, Poston 4245. This is internment camp during the World War II. Not the brightest moments in American history, but it's still history. Every year, survivors and family members come here. I've seen it online. This is definitely one to check out. Check it out online. The Poston Memorial. Very well done, very well kept. They got little brochures you can grab when you stop here. Like I said, I drove past this for years. Never knew what it was. Till one day I did stop. So definitely check it out. You can see how tall that memorial is. That's up there. Palm trees are way up. What a pretty day here too. Alright, well, let's keep on trucking. Farther down the road here a little ways, there's another memorial we'll stop and check out. Quite a bit of traffic. It's Christmas week too. Goodness. End of the week is Christmas. Just to drive through here, I always see a lot of RVs. Even though it's a little longer, it's flat. And a nice cut through, clear from I-10 straight up to Parker. Look how flat, but you can come out here in the spring times, different times of year, they got their crop dusters going. You can watch the planes. They take care of the fields. Pretty cool, really. I need to slow down here. I miss this all the time. It's real easy to miss. This is Hualapai Indian Memorial of a camp that was here. See if I can't find it. Should be right up here. I see it. Right here off to the right. There it is. Alright, let's go walk around and check it out. I found out about this a few years ago too. I don't want to pull the van all the way down in here. You can easily come in here with a smaller vehicle. See the fence? And this dates back into the mid to late 1800s. Here's our memorial. They actually have a run they do every year to support the memorial. Kind of a charity thing. Here's our memorial that talks about it. It's in memory of the Hualapai ancestors. Look at that, 1874 to 1875. See some of the old fencing. There's one of the foundations. There's a couple old foundations from the old buildings. Look at the rock, how they build it. See some of the forgotten history along the Colorado River between Parker and Ehrenberg. To the band we go. I'll look for a mile marker. But it's roughly right, I think 3's up here somewhere. But the old foundations, the fence, the memorial. I think there's dirt trails out through here that you can check out. There are some dirt roads I think you get clear over by the river. Alright, right here we're leaving the Crit land, Indian Reservation, and we are entering big town of Ehrenberg, Arizona. Big agriculture town. There's like a tractor supply up in here, post office, couple little stores. Blythe, California, straight across the river. That's where most people shop, because we are right on the river here. Can't see it from the camera, but just off to the right. Pretty good sized population. They got a school up here. There's the post office there on the right. Big fire department. This is also part of La Paz County still. They got like a sheriff's substation. Up here a little farther will be the stores and stuff. Up here's a school on the left. Right there. Kind of a neat little community. But it gets hot here. In the summer here, it gets brutal hot. Blythe, Ehrenberg, Quartzsite, all of them. It can just be a scorcher. There's a little gas station up here on the right. Well, what is it? Texaco. There's a dollar store on the left. Right off to the right, we see that big sign. That's it's a bait shop, mini mart. A lot of dry campers stay out in this area. Just on the other side of Interstate 10 is all kinds of dry camping. You can go way back down along the Colorado and dry camp. Very popular for YouTubers and all that. Now we got one more history site to see. Stopped here a while back. I want to do it again. Right up here on the left, it's called the Pioneer Cemetary. And it is old. Off to the right is all the RV resorts right along the river. I mean, we're right here on the river. Let me find a place to park. I see it. Right off to the left is Pioneer Cemetery. We'll check out the signs there. It's kind of cool. Once again, forgotten history of this whole area. Yeah, all the big RV resorts are here. They're pretty reasonable for what you get. I mean, you're right on the river. A lot of boaters come here. If you got a boat and an RV, this is it. I think the resorts even have their own boat launch. But check out this sign. I've been here once before. Look at that, 1862. They don't even know some of their names. Isn't that something? The Paz Historical Commission. Google that. Check it out. Well, let's go take a walk up through here. A lot of effort's gone into remembering this place. See what this sign says. Memory of the Unknown Brothers, Lost Dutchman Colony. Wow. Here's their stone memorial. Ehrenburg Cemetery. Look at the old markers. Something to see. If you want to see history, here it is. Most people drive by it, don't even know it's here. Never think about it. Look at it. Alright, well, let's keep on trucking. Well, there you go. There's your history lesson. All the way from Parker down to Ehrenberg. And there's probably more. That's just what I know. You know, it just dates back for decades, generations, a long, long time. Down that direction where those green fields are, that's where everyone camps, right along the river. That's all BLM. 14-day free camping. Some people camp underneath that bridge right there crossing I-10. That is a state line. But we're heading that direction. We're heading east. Right up here, this fuel station here is fairly new. This interchange here is called Exit 1. Ehrenberg interchange. On the other side's that big, what is it, Pilot? I believe over there. All right, here we go. We only got, what, 16 miles into Quartzsite. I ain't going to be here long. Just checking mail, take care of a couple things, heading back north, back up Van Cave. Can't believe it's already Christmas, a couple days away. Unreal. I hope Santa brings you that new RV. He keeps forgetting mine. Oh well. But seriously, I wish everyone out there a very Merry Christmas. Happy New Year holiday. The journey does continue. Talk soon.